Hey, what's up everybody? Brian from T-sportline. Back again with our Cybertruck, ready to do a little more testing. If you've been watching, we've been doing a lot of testing and sharing a lot of information about the Cybertruck. Now it's time to test 0 to 60. We don't have a Cyber Beast, we have an all-wheel drive Cybertruck, so this is the 600 horsepower version. Tesla claims 0 to 60. Today we're going to test that. We've got our Dragy, which is a super cool little device. Highly recommend that for fun, but that'll let us test 0 to 60, quarter mile, that kind of stuff. We're gonna get set up and go test. First, looking at the screen, best practices for doing 0 to 60. Let's make sure we're in low mode. The least amount of frontal drag will be with low mode. And then under dynamics, normally you would have beast mode or your launch mode. This is like your plaid when you're doing, any kind of 0 to 60. We don't have that in this version for the all-wheel drive, or at least at this point. So all we have for options would be chill mode or standard. We're gonna leave it in standard mode, and then we're gonna leave it in preferred ride height of lower. We've also set the tire pressure to the max. If you were drag racing in the past, maybe you lowered tire pressure for more traction. We don't have that problem. We'll have plenty of traction. We've got the stock all-wheel drive Goodyear tires on this. We set tire pressure a little high. We set it at 60, try to get a little lower rolling resistance. So let's go ahead and test this thing and see if we can hit. I'm gonna switch the camera, put the Dragy up here, and then we'll bring you on another view and we'll go do a few pulls. Let's do it. We're all set. First pull, let's give it a go. We're gonna foot brake it. On the first pull, we tried foot braking it. This time we're just gonna stab it. 3, 2, 1. .24 on that last one. Let's try one more time. We're gonna go straight stab. 3, 2, 1. .19. Let's give it another go. Maybe the battery's getting warm. 3, 2, 1. For tests, 4.19 was our best time. Didn't quite hit the 3.9 that Tesla said. However, it is winter time. It's only 64 degrees out. Might get a little faster if the temperature was better, the batteries were perfectly conditioned, but I also have a 185-pound co-pilot. So when you add weight, you're gonna slow things down. Maybe if we really got optimal and the weather was right, I didn't have a passenger and everything was perfect, we'd probably hit that 3.9. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you like the video. Subscribe to our channel if you wanna see more Cybertruck content. We've got a lot more coming your way. Thanks again.